Salah is the way to connect with Allah, seek His guidance and purify our heart. If you want the opportunity of huge benefits, then please guys don't ever leave quickly after your Salah prayers. Make a habit to spend some time doing the zikr after every Salah. According to the hadith reported by Abu Huraira radiallahu anha, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after every Salah he used to recite Subhanallah 33 times, Alhamdulillah 33 times and Allahu Akbar 33 times. The total it becomes 99 times, and to complete it for 100, recite this dua: La ilaha illallah lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. This means there is no God with no partners. He is a power, He is a praise, and He is able to do all things. If we do this zikr after every Salah, then he or she sins will be forgiven, even if they are like the foam of the sea. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also used to recite Allahumma anta salam wa manta salam tabaraka yazul jalali wal ikram. He also recite this every Salah. This means, O Allah, you are the peace, and you are from you comes the peace. Blessed are you and the owner of majesty and honor. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.